Oh, there goes. Down. Can you turn the flashlight off for us?
There you go.
There you go. Yep.
Now, if you're a child, can you make it light up bright?
Yeah, can you light it up bright for us? Come on, light it up. Light it up. Yeah, come on. Light
Use
up.
our energy.
Yeah.
Yep,
Almost.
use energy. You almost got it.
Almost.
Almost.
Almost. Come on.
Can you light it up, whoever you are?
Gary, if that's you, can you light it up?
Come on, Gary. You can do anything else. You can do this.
He said, fuck you. He said, fuck you.
I'm not your type. I like women.
Can't do it.
Okay.
That's okay.
So
It's just a test to see how strong you are. We understand. Kid laugh.
Kid laugh, yeah.
I think we got 2 of them here. 2 spirits at least.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, almost.
Almost.
There.
Yep, see?
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
You videotaping it?
Yeah.
Fucking butter. You miss that, I'm gonna be pissed off.
Okay, so you're a kid. Are you a boy? Light it up if you're a boy.
Yep, lit up.
Are you anywhere from 6 to 8 years old? Which is what I'm thinking. Light it up if you can. If you're 6 to 8 years old. Did you get hit by a car? Were you on a bike?
I didn't catch it.
I thought
Was it a no or yeah?
I thought no.
I was thinking no too.
Hey.
There we go. Light it up.
If you got
There we go.
hit by a car, can you light it up?
There we
Okay,
go.
thank you.
There we go.
For some reason, that's what I thought had happened to you. Go ahead and turn it off.
Yep, you can go ahead and turn it off. Good.
I don't think he lived here in town, but I don't. I'd have to stroll the streets to find a house. But
Yeah. Huh.
Because you used to have a railroad track right behind here. And cars. Yeah.
Are you from St. Paris, Ohio?
good question.
Light it up. If you're from
Were you
St.
born here?
Were you born in this town? Yes.
Okay, that works for us.
Okay. Now you can go
Turn it
and
back off.
turn it back off.
These are only yes. Light it only if it's yes. If it's not, if we're not right, don't light it. Okay.
Oh. What?
That's what year was born.
What year were you born?
He's not gonna be able to do that flashlight.
For the box. He might not know if he's young.
Well, true.
You had a sister, didn't you? If you had a sister, light it up. If you didn't, I understand. No, no sister. Okay,
How about brother?
that's the next one. Did you have an older brother? You had an older sibling of some sort, so it had to be a. Okay, so you
yeah,
had to be
for
a
the
brother.
box.
Okay.
What did you... Yep.
Were you
Bruce?
buried nearby?
What's that?
I keep hearing something about deep.
Were you buried nearby?
It's like Gary should come through too. What? Buried. I got real cold. Go fucking chill. That's what somebody said. Hey, let's play. And everything. If you can touch this, it will light up. And it will change colors. And everything. More energy you put in this, you can change colors with this. I'm gonna put it down here by the flashlight. And all you gotta do is touch it.